Previously on Tanwa All Out, we visited Phumula Guest House located all the way down south in the Kingdom of Eswatini in the Wassup region in Hlangano town. We had a super awesome blast here, but today we show you around the place. We take you on a tour in the rooms in which we were staying, as well as a tour around the whole guest house. It is room tour time. Come and see our super awesome room. The coffee station. So here you have everything. The last place I visited, there was no coffee and I was very hurt. So let us see if they have coffee here. They have lots of coffee. 1 coffee, 2 coffee, 3 coffee, 4 coffee, lots of coffee. And they also have it in this cute bottle jar thing. What do you call this jar? It's a jar. In this cute jar. I love it. Of course, your mugs, your glasses, your teaspoons. And then there's a microwave, y'all. So I guess if you're gonna order from the restaurant and then you feel like your food is not warm enough, you can pop it right in and warm it, honey. Yes. There's a fridge. They left water in there for us. They knew we were going on a hike and it is a hot day, and then they left us water. Super amazing. Okay, moving right into the bedroom. So when you walk in, guys, you are immediately welcomed by this super amazing tone of colors. There's a turquoise, white with a little bit of some blue in there. Super amazing texture in the room, and it just builds this super nice atmosphere. I love that. Y'all already know I'm a sucker for atmospheres, so I just love everything that is happening in here. Anyway, there are 2 single beds. I guess this is something that you arrange with them before you come, whether you want a double bed or you want single beds, and then they make it according to your need. And then there's these 2 towels that you find on each single bed. I love that. And you have a shower cap, luxury soap, and conditioning shampoo as well. It smells so good. Smell that, Joyce.
Ooh, that
It's
smells
good.
so good.
It's good.
Ooh, that actually smells really good.
Oh my goodness, guys. If I am telling you there's one thing I am appreciating about this place, real flowers. You have a desk here, a sitting area. I guess if you're coming here for work, and you need a workstation, you could make this your workstation. It has some storage space in there. You could use it for whatever you need. I absolutely love these curtains, y'all. I love the length of them first, and I love the texture of them too. Come feel them, Joyce.
Oh wow, this is pure cotton.
They really feel good.
Wow.
And then there's another station right here. You have a, I guess this is like your dressing and getting ready station. You have a mirror, you have a chair. So if you want to put on your makeup, this is the perfect station for that. Oh my God. I have to show you guys this. I haven't seen the one of these in a while. My grandparents actually used to own these. This is a paraffin lamp. So this is paraffin in here, and then you light it. You light it right here. I think you disconnect this, and then you light it here, and then you put this back on, and then it illuminates your room. I am an antique lover, so this touch right here is absolute for me. I'm actually going to ask them where they got this, because I feel like I need it for my own personal space. You move right here. I want to show you guys these side tables. I absolutely love the simplicity of them. It's not a lot, but it's enough. You know what I'm saying? It has these 2 identical side lamps, and I absolutely love that. And then this art, it has this red that just brings a splash of color in the absolute right way. You know what I'm saying? This is absolutely beautiful. I love the room. I love it here. It is so beautiful. And then, oh, there's this cute heart.
It loves you back.
I know, right? The last touch I want to mention about this room is there's an air conditioner And some people are not okay with air conditioners. If you are that person, worry not, because there's also a fan. Super cool. I don't think I've been to many places that consider that, where there's an air conditioner and a fan as well. If you don't want the room cold per se, but you still need fresh blowing air, you have a fan for that. That's super amazing. Okay, coming right into the bathroom space, the first thing that you notice is how huge it is. Oh my god, look at the shower space. All of this. I can move. And I think this is my favorite part of this whole bathroom. You have a his and hers sink.
Welcome to my crib. Come on in. It's really pretty. Oh my goodness, it's really pretty. Here we have our cabinets where we put in our bags. So the room is not messy, it's good storage space. Over here we have the beds. Two nicely made single beds, and we have extra storage over here. The lamps are so antique and pretty. Just look at that. I love the color scheme. I think this turquoise blue vintage kind of vibe with the pillows and the mirror frames, it's beautiful. And also we have TV. Today's Miss South Africa, so we are within. Over here we have the bathroom with this huge shower. Like as Kanye Bao says, you can't contain me. No shower door. It's beautiful. You are in like your natural habitat over here, guys. Look at that shower head. Me ninja with my nice bald head. I'm about to enjoy the shower. And then we also have these cute little, I think they're paraffin lamps. I don't remember the last time I saw these. So beautiful. It's just all around fun. Our room is right next to the pool, so we can hear the water. It's beautiful. There's just, we are like in our natural habitat here. We have a nice bench outside of the room just in case we want to chill there. We have a fridge and a microwave. Like,
when I was showing you the tour of inside our house, I forgot to show you that we actually have an outside sitting area. Has some pretty interesting history. It was built in 1992, way back, and it was built as a family business. But here's the interesting thing. When they first built here, they had no intention of making this place a guest house or a lodge or anything of that sort. They were just building their home apparently. And then right around that time, a road construction project started not far from here. And then people started thinking that this place was actually offering lodging facilities for the people who were contracted to work on that project. And then they started asking endlessly, and in as much as the family was telling them that no, this is not a lodging facility, but people kept asking until they felt, you know what, it only makes sense to give the people what the people are asking for. And then they started this place, and I hear at the time they only had like 2 rooms for lodging purposes, and then it just grew and grew and grew to become this awesomeness that it is today. They also have a braai area here, so if you come with a group of friends or family or a group of people, you guys have access to the braai area as well, and I want to go check it out. Oh wow, look at that, it's a whole vibe. There's even like a bonfire place here. And then they have the braai area here, some braai stands there, and then they have like a kitchen area here where you could prepare your food. That is just so cool, man. And this place is so huge. It looks like it can occupy a whole lot of people. Sitting area there and a whole lot of ample space to even bring your camp chairs or whatever. It's a whole vibe. They even have plugs. Chimneys over there, so nobody has to worry about smoke. You have a super cute bean. Come and show them the bean. It is. Wait, it says here it senses. Huh? Oh, it's showing me to throw things in there. Let's test them. Oh my god. Okay, we're done with the vlog. I need to give this a ride.